We're learning more about the effort by the county to get meals to victims of the January 22nd storm. The county promised to provide 3 meals daily to those impacted, but yesterday our reporter Perla Shaheen spoke to some who said they were only getting 1 or 2 and expressed frustration over the situation. The county announced today it partnered with Uber Eats to help provide food to those in the county's lodging program. Perla joins us now with how the program will work.
For 2 months, a hotel has been home for 1-year-old Lamar. Lamar's actual home washed away in flooding on January 22nd. Since then, his mom, Jeanette Gonzales, has worked hard to put food on the table.
How much do you think you're spending now on food?
Without this, it was probably like $50, $60 just between us 3.
Every day?
Yeah.
Now Gonzales is getting some relief. On Friday, a $500 voucher showed up in her Uber Eats account.
That's what I'm saying. It's a big help. It is. I mean, we'll be good for a while with this.
Nearly 900 flood victims are eligible for this Uber Eats voucher provided by the county.
Show me on your phone what you did to order Uber Eats.
I met some people at their hotels to walk them through the process.
The way it works is you click on one of these. Are you confused still? How do you feel about it?
Any flood victims in the county's housing voucher program should receive a text or an email that looks like this. In it, there's a link or a Get Started button. Once you click on that, just follow the prompts to redeem your voucher. The total amount will appear in green at the bottom of your Uber Eats app.
I'm just happy of the groceries.
Yeah.
I would probably use it, yes, if we need to go get it.
Yeah, there's a Sprouts, there's an Albertsons.
The amount will vary depending on the number of people per household and whether breakfast is provided at their hotel. The vouchers expire after 7 days. Then users can go through the same process with a new voucher. The county says they are not able to estimate how long this service will last, but for now, it's enough to buy Lamar some snacks.
You can buy more goldfish.
Perla Shaheen, ABC 10 News.